Hello guys, and welcome to another PLC programming videos here with PLC problems. And in this video we'll be doing some more PLC IO-Sim simulations with PLC problems. And this video we'll be doing PLC problem exercise 5 with push-button stoplights. It's an easy exercise, easy problem. So yeah, so how this problem works is that we have 3 different push buttons and 3 different lights, and only one light can be turned on and the 2 others cannot be turned on. So we have to do kind of an interlock in the different networks for each light. And so yeah, this is how it looks. So here are the 3 different push buttons: PB1, PB2, PB3. Here we have the different lights: red, yellow, green. Here we have the different tags, type bool, and here we have the scene with the stoplight. And we're going to, of course, do some ladder diagram as we done in the other videos. And we can see here what the problem is, description of it. Design a program manually turn on and off 3 lights of a stoplight pressing push buttons. So we are supposed to do how ladder diagram PLC programming works when it is a stoplight, traffic lights. So this is a very good exercise to do, I think. It was also a hard and a medium version of this exercise. But yeah, so let's start. So first in network 0, we will have normally open contact, and we will have push button 1, PB1, and then we will have coil here, and that will be for the green light we start with. And we will also have for interlock, so that only when we press push button 1, only the green light will turn on, not the yellow and the red one. Only the green one can be turned on. So we will have 2 normally closed ones. They will be for the other lights that cannot be turned on. So we have red and yellow. So we'll push button 1, and then the green lights is supposed to be only the one on, and the other 2 lights cannot be turned on until when I turn off push button 1, the green light will turn off and all the lights will be off, and it will be the same for the red and the yellow light. So now we take another network 1. It will be the same but just different tags. So here we will have push button 2 normally open, and we'll have 2 normally closed, and that will be the green and the red light. Green, red, and the coil that I put will be yellow. So it will be the same here when we push button 2. The yellow light will be the only one that is turned on, and the green and the red one will be turned off. And when we turn off the push button 2, the yellow light will turn off and all the lights will be turned off. Now we'll have network 2, and it will be the same there. We'll have push button 3, and then we will have 2 normally closed. They will be green and yellow. And this will be the network then for the red light. So this is how a ladder diagram PLC programming could look for a stoplight, traffic light that only one light can be turned on with 3 different push buttons and 3 different lights. So here is network 0 is for the green light, network 1 is for the yellow light, and network 2 is for the red light. We have 3 different push buttons that are normally open. We have 6 different normally closed contacts that are for each light that are supposed to not be turned on, and we have output, the coils for each light that are supposed to be turned on. So then we can start, can go from program to run. We push that one. We can see network 0, push button 1 is turned on, and then the 2 different normal closed contacts are turned on, and the green light is activated. So we can see here the green light is activated, the red and yellow light are not turned on as we wanted here. Now when we turn it off, the green light is turned off, and the normal close contact are always activated. And now when we do this one, when you see network 1, just the same as network 0 for the green light, push button is activated, yellow is activated, and when we push the push button 2 for the yellow light, we can also see that the normal close for yellow in network 0 and 2 for the green light and the red light, they're also turned off. They're not turned on anymore as always, as we can see other way. So now they're all turned on as it used to. Now we have the red light. Same here. And just because they are push buttons, we can also do it like this. We can never, just because they are push buttons and we have done interlock with with the normal close contact that are always activated for here, we can never push like all the buttons at the same time. Only one light can be turned on, even if the light here is activated. It doesn't work. So now when we do it like this, now it's activated. When we do it like this, now it's activated. This. So yeah, this is how you do a ladder diagram PLC programming for stoplight, traffic light, when only one light can be turned on and the other two lights cannot be turned on, only each light at a time with push buttons. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and that you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next programming video. Have a good time.